to my YouTube. I'm Jen, and today is Paletteful Packs Day. Paletteful Packs is a premium art subscription box, and I don't think I've posted one for a while, so let's see what we think about this one. Let's see what's inside. I do buy these every month. Super excited. They usually have stuff to do, like full project, things like that. So let's, okay. So looks like they're going sketching. So sketching going dark. So we will take a look at the card afterwards. Let's see what's in here. Looks like we have a Lyra pencil set. I actually have this exact one already, but let's open it up and show it to you. It has some charcoal pencils in it and some carbon pencils, sepia white. It's actually one of my favorites, if it's the same. It is a very nice brand. It is the Lyra Germany Rembrandt sketching set. It's very pretty. It's in a tin can. It's pretty hefty. Nice and protected. Definitely upgraded since the last one I got, so maybe not the same one, but very close. This must be who... Quality attest number. If you have any complaints, here's the quality. My lights are just, there we go. See, my lights were just too bright to show you that. Okay, so we have a Lyra HB. This one's charcoal. So Rembrandt charcoal. This one's carbon. This one's a 2B. This one's probably, oh, it's carbon. So charcoal, carbon, carbon, extra dark. And then we have the Sanguine oil. Okay, so it's like a sampler. This sepia light, which is not sharpened, dry. And this one, also not sharpened, is just the white pastel, also dry. So there you have it. I'll sketch those. Looks like there's some paper down here, so I'll swatch those for you here in a minute. So it is slightly different than the one I already have. So I'll take that back. We also have some pencils in here. So this is a Black Wing. It says Paletteful Packs on it. Super cool eraser, if you can see that. And it just looks like a normal, probably HB. Doesn't say on here, but I bet the card has it, so we'll take a look at that in a minute. This is, I bet you. Okay. So this is a Lyra Graphite pencil. It's a 9B, which is awesome. And it goes in here, I believe. Pretty sure it belongs in there. Maybe not. Maybe it's too chunky for there. We will read the book and find out. I don't want to break anything. Okay. And then we have some Staedtlers. Mars Lumograph. This is a 10B. Very nice. They're going dark. And an 11B. There is a pencil sharpener. Not sure what that is. It's like a little pin for the pencil sharpener. So I've never seen that before. But it's just a little pencil sharpener. And then we have an illustration board. And there's 3 boards here. So let's get out. This is my Let's Make Art journal, which I haven't posted yet. But I am swatching in there. I don't really want to ruin. There's only 3 poster board illustration boards in here. So I will be swatching in the mixed media book. We have the 11B. It's very dark. I like it. It's very soft, not scratchy. The 10B. The lead does need sharpened. You can tell it's got kind of like that little shadowing effect. That's okay. I like it sharpen it. Same, very soft, very smooth. I'm going to read this real quick. So we've got the Lyra sketching set is $17. The Graphite crayon, it says sketching and background shading is now even more easy thanks to now even more fun thanks to Lyra Graphite crayon. And then this is the crayon holder. It's supposed to fix this crayon. I can tell you it seems too big because it's not, unless it's supposed to look like that. But here's the crayon, and this is a 9B. I should put that first. So I'm not sure about that crayon holder. I can't get the crayon out, so there's that. And then there's this one. It's not sharpened. It is a black wing pencil. Features a firm and soft graphite core that helps it deliver in its promise of half the pressure, twice the speed. Nice. Can normally be purchased in box of 12s. They collaborated to get you a limited edition. Does not say what it is, so I'm gonna guess it's like a number 2 or an HB. But this eraser is pretty cool. 11B seems a little hard to erase, but so there you have it. And then the ones that are sharpened. So this one is an HB. This is also in charcoal, or a charcoal. So feels like a charcoal pencil, nice and smooth, comfortable. This one's a carbon pencil, 2B, very smooth. Very nice. This one is also 2B, but it is carbon extra dark. So this one is scratchy, just like the charcoal. Not that scratchy is a bad thing, just describing the texture when you're drawing with it. And then we've got the sun green oil. Very nice. And then we are going to have to sharpen these. They are both pastels. One is sepia and one is white. This is a sepia. And I will finish sharpening that later. And here is the whites. It does not like to go over the carbon. So anyways, there you have it. That is the November Paletteful packs. Price wise, we have the sketching set retails for $17. The crayon is $1.70, with the crayon holder being $10.55. The Mars pencils are $2.25 each. The illustration boards are $4.20. The sharpener retails for $3.50. And then this doesn't have a price. There's a lot of details about this pencil. It's a limited edition pencil. So there you have it. That is the Paletteful Pack Premiere box for the month of November. I think I'm just going to post this. I have been drawing Inktober for the last month, so I may not do a creation with this box at this time. If I do, you'll see the video next. If I don't, I'll just get this posted for you so you can see the unboxing portion. Prompts, if you're interested in those, are prompt 1 is a morning routine. Prompt 2 is geometric. Prompt 3 is umbrella, and prompt 4 is penguin. Also tells you to look for an inspiration on their YouTube channel, things like that. So let me know what you think. There's a lot of pencils here, which we always get. I understand that, but they are going dark, which is kind of neat. Definitely some dark stuff in here. Definitely things I don't have, mixed with some things that I have gotten in the past, which is perfectly fine. I don't mind that. Just gives me more stuff for giveaways, and then it's kind of nice to use the sample packs. At the same time, I only have one color, 1.5 colors. So not sure what I'm gonna do with this, but as always, thanks for watching. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.